You better get ready. There is no turning back on this deal.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
We just meet under. Ooh. It's very loud. So we are just walking down this beautiful path to get down to where we're supposed to see where the boat stars. The butts are. This is our last activity of the day. We're going on the Chattanooga Duck. We decided to go at 6 o'clock in the hopes that it might be a little bit cooler, which at least in the shade it's cooler, and it is actually a little cooler in the sun since it's close to the 90s every day now.
84 right now.
Oh, it's 84. So a lot cooler, and hopefully on the water it's cooler as well.
Have you ever been in a car that has gone in the water?
No.
Is this the first?
Yeah, but I'm a little kind of scared because I never gone on this before.
It'll be safe. We just saw him going down the water.
Let's see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give this up the hill. See right up there with the harnesses and all that stuff. And this is where you can. 40 years when they moved out, double cola moved in. You guys ever heard of double cola? From the west.
What do you say?
They have
Hey, are you guys going from the
things
west?
on them.
Are you over at the west? Where?
With the sparkle things on them.
Oh, okay. Cool. Now, if you look up the hill, up here, you're gonna see the gold dome building right up there. That
Oh, look at the Princess Castle one!
There's again, Cinderella.
Oh, look at it! Oh, the hooks are sparkling.
Cinderella.
Did you like the princess one?
Yeah, the gold dome building was the Chattanooga Times newspaper. But it was started
How
by
about
the
you,
same
Ava?
guy that started
Did you like the
New York
princess
Times.
one?
I
New
like
York
any
Times
one.
and the Chattanooga Times for the Alrighty then. Okay, here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna go, and then in the back there where you guys are, sometimes water comes in.
Okay.
So if that happens, just pick your feet up, okay? It only lasts for a couple of seconds, and it rarely gets over 2 or 3 feet. No, there's not gonna be.
He's
any
joking.
water. I'm just messing with you.
He's joking.
All right, can you
He's
see okay?
joking?
Once you start down, you'll be able to see.
That was
okay?
funny joke
Make
though.
sure there is no turning back on this deal.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
We're almost there. Here we go. That's it. That's the whole thing.
All right, how about
You
that?
did it.
There you go.
Ava, you did great.
We scared those ducks.
Yeah. We're gonna have our snack.
Okay. How'd you guys do? Okay,
That
all
was
right?
fun. Did you like
See
that?
how easy that
That was good.
Something's not right about that. It has 52 miles long, but it has 30 tributaries. So there are 42 dams in the PDX. They got a lot of the windows in the second and third. Because, they didn't have Doppler radar. And we like barn swallows because they eat bugs, and one of their favorite bugs to eat are mosquitoes.
Tom
So they
did
eat
get
a lot of
wet
mosquitoes.
from the water bottle that was spilt open. Little sip, that's all we have. Now we don't have a water bottle of water.
This is the passage right here. Not anymore.
You want the moon pie?
Oh, there goes the
She doesn't
Speedway
like the
Rangers.
Oreo.
Look at
She
that.
wants to try the moon pie, but she already ate the Oreo.
Go all the way. You don't have to keep going over.
Is it
You gotta
good?
go. You just let me know.
Now we're gonna let Ava try her moon pie.
30.
What do you think of the moon
It's
pie?
on the National Radar. If you haven't been in there, you should go check it out. It's always in the top 10 aquariums. It's my job to know that. And that's the only Now that up there is called Battery Place. That's where the cannon batteries were. They defended Chattanooga from the Yankee guns.
that?
Horns. We have a truck horn and we have a boat horn. Man alive. Well, were you scared? Cities in the country. Outdoor Magazine voted it the this.
Yeah, this boat, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got a license plate in the back. We got Coast Guard numbers on the front. Yeah. That's a truck. It's a boat. It's a truck.
This is full speed.
I feel the need for speed.
This is full
I
speed.
know that is the wind in your hair. Oh man, we're flying now. Out of the way. Big duck coming through. Rookie driver. Woohoo! Look at that.
Full speed.
Man alive.
This is as fast as it goes. Are you scared?
Well, were you scared? It wasn't
That
built to
was
carry troops.
fun.
Built to carry
Did you like
supplies.
driving the boat?
The Higgins boats took the troops ashore.
You're tired,
D-Day.
but did you have fun?
See the D-Day floating army truck. You're sitting in the cargo bay. All this was the cargo bay. And the cargo bay was usually filled with ammunition.
I didn't get a turn. I think it's kids only.
They needed
No, anybody can drive.
medical supplies.
He did
That's
say
what the
anybody.
guys were built for. All right, you gonna go now?
More. They give the kids a turn to drive the boat. It's super fun.
It was super fun.
When they don't need the electricity, they reverse the turbines. They pull resources. And you know, on top of Raccoon Mountain, they built some of the.
Oh no, we're turning. Who's driving this thing?
Round and around she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Are you getting dizzy? You gotta hurl over the side, okay? Don't mess up the boat. It's turning. We got the propeller turning. We got everything turning. We're gonna drive right up the ramp here, but if we don't make it for some reason, you guys on the back there. There's snorkels under your seat, okay? They're real handy. All right. Cross your fingers. Here we go. Up, up, and away. To infinity and beyond. All right, come on, the Enterprise. You can do it. Oh, I think I can. I think I can. Oh, yeah. All right, especially true in a 75-year-old six-wheel drive floating army truck.
Or 5
Because
years
they
old.
didn't make push-button all-wheel drive things.
You're 5?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
they did make that was real handy. You don't see 42. Guys,
You
we're
like the
back.
air?
They're here. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. It was a beautiful day out there on the river. Woo! We made it! Yay!
Who liked driving the boat? Who liked eating a moon pie? Who liked going down into the water? Yeah?
I like driving.
You like driving the boat? Did you like turning it? Did you like seeing the puppy dogs swimming?
Oh, yeah. I like the puppy dog. It was so cute.
The puppy dog was cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're heading back.
Was that your favorite part? Was driving the boat?
We're going back to our hotel. We had a long day with all of these rides.
Yeah, we did. Lots of rides today.